What's up, y'all? Let me tell you something. If y'all ain't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I told y'all, and I'm keeping it 100 with y'all, man. I keep these mods coming, and if you haven't noticed by now, if you've seen this video 9 times out of 10, you know it. So this mod today that I'm bringing y'all today is brought to you by EJ's Supercar. No, I'm not sponsored by EJ's. Of course, y'all know I'm gonna give y'all the link down below, where to get it, where to purchase, how much I paid for it. Y'all know I keep these mods at a low price. I'm not gonna go out here and over budget y'all, man, on getting things. But yeah, man, if you haven't noticed, EJ's, we're going with an underbody kit, man. Underbody light kit, man. I didn't want to go all out on this one, man. Got the job, has it on his car, man, so you know, I think it's pretty nice, but we'll go with that one. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna give y'all the links, how I put it on, what I use to put it on. I might give y'all a step by step how to install this, like I said, man. And also, secondly, I know y'all waiting on the wide body. Here's the thing with the wide body. The thing with the wide body is those flares are the wrong flares. Yes, they are the wrong flares. I thought they were the right ones. They are not. So those I got to get sent back. I'm going to go ahead and suck it up and get the AVS's. The AVS wide body flare kit, man. I'm going to suck it up and go ahead and kick out that. But with that said, I do get those at a good price. Y'all not going to believe the price that I got those for. But of course, when I download that video, I will have a description, how much I paid, where I got them from. But I'm giving it to y'all live right now from inside the belly of the beast, the silverback. What else? Man, I got 2 more mods coming for y'all. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is. Y'all just have to wait and be patient. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, man. Please subscribe. I know y'all like to watch videos and stuff like that, but just go ahead and subscribe. I promise y'all, man. And those that know me, well, that been following me, y'all know when I say I keep a video and the content coming, I keep it coming. So as you see, this new mod right here will be the underbody kit. I'm gonna try to get that done today. It's supposed to rain today, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to hurry up and get that done today. If you please, I'm gonna say it again, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Don't just watch it. Go ahead and subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe, man. Go ahead and hit that like button so we can get this video pushed. Like I said, we on our way to 500 subscribers. Like I said, that's just a milestone, man. It's 500. But in the meantime, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna give y'all some more content on the installation, what I use, how I use it, and what you need, how to get these. So y'all stay tuned. Swipe.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand.
So I'm back. Y'all gotta forget the car, it's a little dirty. But yeah, like I said, this mod right here is brought to you by EJ's. This is the finished product. And I must say, y'all, it ain't that bad, you know what I mean? I don't know if y'all see it or if it look like it's flickering. It's actually not flickering, but yeah. Oh yeah, and for those of y'all that's new to the channel, like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, do what you gotta do. But yeah, man. Tell me what y'all think, man. Like I said, I will have a link down below, how much they cost. You know, it's a pretty much, on a scale of 1 to 10 of installing these, I'm gonna say it was about I would say it was about a 6 on the scale, due to the fact of the shorting of the wiring. But mainly what I did, pretty much easy, simple step. pretty much peeled the back. Like I said, I cleaned every area where I put the scripts at. For those of you that have the Challengers or the Chargers, I don't know about the Chargers, but I know on the Challenger, on the side, right up under this black piece right here, there's a flat piece, literally a flat piece about that long up under there, where when you peel the 3mm tape from it, it sticks on there perfectly. But just like I said, just make sure you clean it. But like I say, these LED kits that I'm giving y'all, and most of the things up under it, they are pretty easy to clean, man. But yeah, I know it's kind of dirty and stuff like that. Like I said, with the wide body flares, those did get sent back. I'm waiting on the ABSs to get here. So yeah, man, it's coming along. Also, I'm waiting on the roof racing stripes to get here, the roof and trunk to get here. So that'll probably be another video with the whole finished product of it. Yeah, man, as you can see, both lights do change multicolors. I want to say it's a total of 12, I want to say, give or take. But yeah, man, I thought I would give y'all a short little video real quick, let you see what it looks like, the finished product on those mods. I'm trying to think if I want to add lights in the car. It's kind of pretty much up in the air with that one, because like I say, most of these mods will be mainly for the outside with the mods and stuff. I'm waiting on the front lip splitter to come so I can give y'all that video. That'll be coming soon. I also have the two I don't know what y'all call those, I have the two metal priors that go here, or whatever y'all call them, the metal bars that go here from the bumper to the splitter. Like I said, I'm just waiting on that to come. Again, that rear diffuser will be getting replaced, but like I say, this mod right here is simply mainly about the underbody lights, like I say. And they change multicolors, all multicolors. So you pretty much got your primary colors, and they do come with a remote. My remote box, I'm gonna show you where I got my remote box installed. It's kind of, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's literally like right up under, behind this piece of plastic right here. It's literally like back there. That's how short the wire is. But yeah, man, like I say, I'm gonna give y'all the whole walk around of what it looks like. It's the driver's side. This is the driver's side of the color flicker, and like I say, man, it's like pretty much almost dark time, and it's showing that bright. This is the rear. Now the rear part, I pretty much has it right where the diffuser ends at, and I got it going straight across. This is your passenger side, and let me see if I can get. I'm gonna see if I can get my lady to pull it out for y'all so y'all can really see what it looks like. First of all, let's wake in the silverback. I know y'all waiting to hear that sound. Silverback, do what you do. Hey, back it up for me so I can get a good. But yeah, man, I mean, like I said, man, I drove around. What I'm probably gonna do is heat shrink the wire up there near the front where that box is. I'm gonna heat shrink that a little bit. They gave, like I say, the kit fits, man, for your, your average car. But like I said, for the pricing, you can't, you know what I mean? You can't really complain about it. I bet she ain't hit the push start button. I bet she ain't hit the push start button. But man, boy, that thing look real mean. Look at her, she's so scared to drive it, y'all. When I say my lady is scared to drive this car, y'all, she is scared to drive it. I literally put her on the highway in it, and the fastest she went was probably 47 miles an hour. She don't do much do too much of it. But she go back it up for you, so y'all can, I'm gonna give y'all a better angle at it, better look at it. But yeah, man. But yeah, like I say, this underbody kit is brought to you by EJ's. So EJ's. But yeah, as you see, multicolored. So that's how it looks with the headlights on. You can still see the lights. And another thing, that's only at 50%. That's not even the full 100% glow. Well, the dim, the brightness in the dim. It actually goes a little bit brighter than that, but I thought that was good enough. That's the silverback. I know it's dirty. It's dirty, man. Every time I try to get this video to y'all a little bit earlier, but man, it's been an on and off day with this rain, dealing with this rain. Man, this rain has been delaying me on a lot of things, man. But yeah, this is what you're dealing with. Like I say, man, they come with a remote. So I'm gonna give y'all the link down below, where I got it, how much it was, and trust me, man, y'all ain't gonna believe how much I paid for them lights, man. But like I say, man, on a scale about a 1 to a 10, out of 1 over 10, it's about a 6, man. Depending on how good you is wiring and stuff, man, it's pretty simple. The power wire, pretty much ran it to the top of my fuse box. So I go get the clamp backs, will go onto the power wire. So if y'all remember the other video of me installing these right here, y'all know where I installed the that power wire into the fuse box. I actually just used where you jump off the car at powers, and I connected it to that. So the next thing that I'm probably gonna be looking at is a light in there. That's gonna be the next thing, and y'all comment down below if I should put lights down in that bottom grill part, the bottom grill and that centerpiece right there. So y'all comment down below if I should do that or not. Y'all know I'm gonna listen to you. I'm gonna definitely let you know if I did it or not. But yeah, man, like I say, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell. That way you will be notified when the videos are uploaded. I know y'all waiting on a wide body, man. I know, like I said, man, I thought I would have them on, but they didn't fit. Like I said, they fitted like a Honda or a Hyundai Sonata RX-7 or something like that. It was for a smaller car. So they, like I said, they messed up on their part, but they are giving me a better deal on the ABSs. So y'all stay tuned for that video. Hopefully that video will be coming up in the next week or so. So in order to see that video, what else you got to do? You got to subscribe. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Hit that post notification bell, like, share, and stay tuned. Peace.